Hi everyone, this is Lynn. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an affiliate link that you can place on your blog. So, what I've created here is a blogger blog. It does not matter what type of blogging platform you use. If you use WordPress, Blogger, whatever the type may be, this process is exactly the same for each of the blogging systems. Ultimately, you'll want to be comfortable and know how to maneuver around within your blogging platform. But again, this process is ultimately the same, right? So what I did again is I created this blog as a sample blog, and I created a sample post for the purpose of this video. And in this post, I've put down a variety of different pictures, kind of creating a little tutorial. And within each of these pictures, you'll notice there's some highlighted, bolded words. What I did when I created the post is I highlighted these words because these are actually words that I would want to go back and create affiliate links for. Right now, it's not live, it doesn't do anything, so I need to create an affiliate link and attach it to my blog into this little area right here. So I did a sample one just to kind of show you how this works. Now, again, if I were to hover over this word right here, the Good Life printed paper, nothing happens. It just is words right there. It's not connected or linked up anywhere. The same with this DIY hoop word. But this one right here, the Circle Steel Rule Die, is one of the products that I used, and I've already linked this up. You'll notice how that highlights when I hover over it. So if I or your customer, in the case of us wanting to have our customers link through us, were to click on that, what's going to happen is it's going to open up in a new window, and once that opens up, and my customer starts to look around and starts to add things to their cart, this right here is specifically linked to my Share a Sale account. So again, if my customer clicks on this, adds it to the cart, and purchases this and a variety of other products, I will get an affiliate commission off of that sale. All right, this right here, up here, is specific to my affiliate account. This is my affiliate link right here. This constitutes the fact that this person has clicked through my link. It tells the system that I was the one who created this. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to my blog post and share how we can create a link. Now the next one I want to create is the DIY hoop. I want to create an affiliate link for that. Right now I don't have one. So what I'm going to do is, this right here is my live site, but I've also logged in to the regular working site, and I want to go ahead and click into that. So I'm in my edit mode. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click down here, get back to that same area. And so again, this is where I want to put a new affiliate link. So what I need to do is I'm going to go over to Share a Sale. I'm going to log into my Share a Sale account and scroll over, hover over where it says links, scroll down and click on Get a Link and Banner. So there's a variety of different options I have available to me, and I'm going to scroll down here. This right here shares with me what affiliate accounts I'm already approved for. I'm approved, of course, for Share a Sale as well as Spellbinders FSJ. Down the road, you might add additional affiliate merchants to your account, and you'll have those available as well. So I'm going to click on Get Links, and these are links that have been created by Spellbinders FSJ that are connected with the Share a Sale account that will give a specific link that's just for me or you, the user, once you're logged in. All right, so you'll notice here in this particular page that there's a variety of different places that you can go to get different links. There's a place right here to create banners, and I'm not going to walk through all of these in this video, but I want to share with you that this is where you would go and get a variety of different banners, one for your blog, the side panels, one within your blog post. These can be links that you could use on your other social media outlets. Anyways, all of these, when you grab these links, again, are affiliate links specifically connected to your account. So I'm going to scroll back up here. We'll come back to this create custom link in just a moment. Deals and coupons we'll talk about later. There's also the data feed. I want to briefly talk with you about the data feed. At this very moment, as I record this, the FSJ products are not yet uploaded into the data feed. They will be, and they'll be available for you in the days ahead. But for this video, I just want to share with you the process will still be the same, but for right now, all we're going to see are Spellbinder products. So I can click on a variety of different areas specifically to what I'm looking for, or I can type in a certain product if that's the case. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and click on stamps, and what's going to happen is I'm going to scroll down here, and all of these are going to be the different stamp products that I could eventually link to. Now, of course, if I'm wanting to create a link for a specific project I've created, I want to go to a specific product, all right? So I would click on Get Link, and then I would use that link. I'm going to talk and walk you through that process a little bit later. Right now, I want to share with you how to create a custom link. So I'm going to go back up to our top here. I just wanted to overview these areas that you can create with. But for right now, I want to create that affiliate link, and I'm going to click on Create Custom Link. And now we have, within the Share a Sale system, the custom link generator, all right? So now what I need is I need a product to be able to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to, I've already logged in, well, I didn't log in, I went to the Spellbinders FSJ site. Right here, I'm at funstampersjourney.com. If I were to go to spellbinderspaperarts.com, it'd take me ultimately to the same place. But I'm going to go to the shop area, and remember I wanted the DIY, let's go ahead and the DIY hoop, right? So I'm going to go to the shop. Now I can locate it a variety of different ways, but I'm going to go DIY hoop and click enter and scroll down here, and there's the product that I want to link to. All right, well, I'm going to click all the way into the product. Right now, that was just an overview, right? But I'm clicking on the product, and it's going to open up. This is the page that I want to be able to create that custom link. So this is the actual product. What I'm going to do is I'm going up to the browser bar at the very top. I'm just going to highlight it. Okay, there's a variety of different ways that you can highlight it. You can click and hold and scroll, or just click in the top, so on and so forth. But I'm going to copy this. So I'm right-clicking, copying. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to my Share a Sale account. You see where it says paste URL? I'm going to click in there, right-click, and I'm going to paste it in there. This is exactly what I just pulled over from the Fun Stampers Journey site. Excuse me. All I simply need to do now is click Create Custom Link, and voila, it's ready for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that by clicking on it. All right, I want to grab the entire thing. This is my personal affiliate link that will link that product specifically to me. We'll talk about the Get Short link a little bit later, but for right now, I'm going to right-click. I'm going to copy it. Guess what I'm doing? I'm now going to go back over to my blogging platform, all right? And this is the one I want to link to, right? DIY Hoop. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to click on the link area, and it says, to what URL should this link go? Remember, we just grabbed the URL, but specifically the affiliate link. I'm going to paste it in here. All right. Now, this is really important here. I think this is a valuable thing to take note of. Open this link in a new window. I'm actually going to encourage you to always open up in a new window. There might be reasons why you want to go to a site and have it change, have it stay on the same page and then change the page. I would rather it open up in a new window because they can easily come back to my blog post without hitting the back button, so on and so forth. So I would encourage you to open this link in a new window. And I'm simply going to go, okay. And now this particular link is now live, and we'll click through to my affiliate link within the Share a Sale account. Let's go ahead and update this. I want to share with you that it's actually there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh my page here. I'm now on my live site. I freshened it up. Remember how when we hovered over here, nothing happened, and when we hovered over the DIY, nothing happened? Well, guess what? It's now highlighted now, and when I click it, it's now going to open up to that page. There's the hoops that I wanted to connect to. Add to cart, yes, this is my specific affiliate link that will give me the credit for the sale once my customer purchases it. So I'm going to do it one more time. You can always refresh and watch this over again, but the process is ultimately pretty simple. So again, I want to go back over to my blog and let's see what I want to link to next. I want to do one more here for us. And let's go ahead and the Good Life printed paper, okay? So that's what I want to work with. So I'm going to go over to Share a Sale, create custom link. Remember, I'm on the custom link generator now. Now I need to go and find that product, the Good Life paper. So I'm going to shop, I'm going to search Good Life printed paper and scroll down here. There's the paper right there, the Good Life printed paper pack. I'm going to click on it because remember I need to go to the main product ordering area, all right? And this is the area that I want to be able to order it from. If you see that, I go to the top browser area, highlight it, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back over to Share a Sale, click that link that I just grabbed and paste it into the custom link generator. I'm going to click Create Custom Link. Then I'm going to highlight it, copy it, take it back over to my blog, and now, again, I want to link this up. So I'm going to highlight this area right here. I'm going to click on link, paste the URL, and I want to open this link in a new window. I still want to do that. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to update. I'm going to go back and see if it took. So I'm highlighting it. As you can see right here, this has now been created a link. I'm going to click on it, and it now takes me to the Good Life paper pack. And when they select it, add it to their cart and purchase it, again, I will receive a commission on it because this is specifically attached to my Share a Sale account. So I hope this information has been helpful to you, that you've learned how to create affiliate links to add them to your blog posts. We will continue to cover a variety of different ways that you can create affiliate links and where you can post them, but this one right here specifically to blog posts. And again, it doesn't really matter which blogging platform you use. Ultimately, the process is the same. So I hope you find this valuable. I wish you the utmost success in your business. Take care, and we'll talk to you later.